Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I will be teaching you how you can fix the issue when Ethernet doesn't have a valid IP configuration. First step, simply search command prompt using your search tab and open the app. In the command prompt, you'll enter two commands, so you might want to screenshot these commands. For the first command, simply type netsh winsock reset on the command prompt and press enter. This might take a few seconds, so just wait for the command to fully load. For the second command, simply type netsh int ip reset and press enter. Like earlier, this might take a few seconds to load, so just wait and be patient. Make sure that all spellings are correct because having the wrong command might lead to other errors on your computer or PC. Once you're done running the commands, just restart your PC or your laptop. Once you've done following the steps and you're still facing Ethernet problems, here are some steps you can still try and do. Go to Settings and on the Search tab, search for Network Reset. Press this and it will lead you to this page where you can reset your network and your Ethernet. Just press the Reset Now button and wait again for a few seconds or a few minutes. That's all for this video, and if this helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.